Hey there, this is Joshua with Jenesis Software. I'm going to show you some basic download management. This will only apply to you if you use some sort of manual download process, such as Team Up or the Progressive Downloader. If you get everything through IVANS automatically, then this will not apply. So the first thing we need to do is get some files into my downloads folder here. And it doesn't really matter what this is called, but wherever you typically get your download folders in. So I'm going to go ahead and add those files by running my Progressive Downloader. So now that those files have been added, I'm going to take this folder and I'll just drag it over. It pulled in all my downloads and I already had some sitting in here. And that is step one, it's complete. Next, I need to go and clear out the downloads that I just dragged over. And the reason I do this is because if I don't, this folder will end up with more and more files, and eventually I will start getting either errors because I'm uploading multiple versions of the same policy at the same time, or failures because of similar reasons, or simply because I'm trying to upload hundreds or thousands of files at one time, and it just will fail. It also will reduce the performance and the speed of this uploader. And so I may find myself sitting here for minutes at a time waiting for my downloads to process. Whereas if I keep it cleared out, it should take no longer than a few seconds. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You'll simply open this folder, click on any one of your downloads, click and hold Control on your keyboard, and then tap the A button, and then you can let go. So Control A. That highlights all of them. I will right click on one of them, click delete, and I can close this window. Now I'm ready for tomorrow morning when I run my Progressive Downloader again. I will get a fresh batch in here and I won't be uploading any duplicates. Thank you.